FM Adult Radio for the Young at Heart. It's 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. Ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni. Bamba ke sengiyavala ngaphambi kokuqala usuku lwakho. Incwadi ka Luke chapter 9 verse 16. Jesus took the 5 loaves and 2 fish, looked towards heaven and blessed them, then breaking the loaves into pieces, he kept giving the bread and the fish to the disciples so they could distribute to the people. Nansi indaba yami elele kuleli verse kwingxenye ethi, then he started breaking the loaves into pieces. Ngaphambi kokuba uJesu enze isimangaliso sokuthi anikeze amadoda awu 5000 izinkwa ezu5 no fish ababili, kuthiwa wamukela izinkwa ezayiphethe umfana wehamba nesixuku, wathi mayimukela lezinkwa wasiwabheka phezulu wabonga, mayiqeda ukubonga, and then he started to break the bread. Wasihlephula isinkwa ukuze kwenzeke isimangaliso. Izinkwa ezu5 zazingeke zikwazi ukuthi zondla amadoda awu5000 ukuba uJesu akaqalanga wadlula kwi-process of breaking. Now before the miracle takes place, before the miracle unfolds, kwesinye isikhathi uNkulunkulu ujwayele ukusidlulisa through the process of breaking before we see the miracle. Ngaphambi kokuba izinkwa ezu5 zondla amadoda awu5000, kwaphoqeleka ukuthi izinkwa ziqale zihleshulwe. Kwakungathi uJesu uyaqeda ngezinkwa ezu5 mayehlephula, kwakungathi uJesu ayikho into akayenza ngesikhathi esayihlephula. The process sometimes of being broken for a miracle kubonakala sengathi ayikho into eyenzakalayo, and after the process of breaking there is a miracle that will follow. Kungenzeka namhlanje uyithole ukwi-process of breaking, usabathe uyathandaza izinto zingenzeki, you are still going the process of being broken, but after the process kunesimangaliso esikhulu esizayo. Zaqale zahleshulwa izinkwa, kanti emveni kokuhleshulwa kwazo kukhona isimangaliso esizayo. Mhlambe namhlanje ekseni you are still going the process of being broken, but you are broken for a miracle. Ngicela ukukuthembisa ukuthi the process oyizwayo, yes it's uncomfortable, yes it's painful, yes it's frustrating, but it's for a good cause. You are being broken for a miracle. Lo mlilo odlula kuwona, it's not there to break you or to destroy you, but you are being refined for a greater miracle. Nezinkwa ukuze zikwazi kwenza isimangaliso, they had to be broken. Kodwa yikho into emnandi ukuthi ube broken in the hands of Jesus, ngoba if you are broken kanti uba broken in his hands, ukwazi kwenza isimangaliso ngawe. I understand ukuthi you are going through struggles at the moment. Lawo ma struggles, it's the process engemnandi, kodwa ama results ayo amnandi. Kwakubhlungu bonakala izinkwa zihleshulwa, kanti ama results akho kuhleshulwa lokho azoba mahle. 2000 years later, we are still talking about this miracle yokuhleshula kwezinkwa kwase kwanikezwa abantu abawu5000 baphila. You might be going through the process of being broken, but rest assured there is a miracle that is coming. Unesimangaliso esizolandela after the process of being broken. You might be suffering at the moment, you might be going through frustrations and pains. It's just the process. Weeping may last only for a night, but joy is coming in the morning. It's just the process, and after the process khona isimangaliso esilandelayo. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace.